How's it going, everybody? So this video is going to be a little bit about my assembly of a bow that's made by Dave Mead. He makes his own kind of composite bows out of bamboo and other woods, and it's a really cool bow. It fires very smoothly and pretty silently, and this video is just going to kind of show you that process that we took from February, which was the bow building workshop, until the end of March, where it is now.
Have to go take the ball a little bit. Yeah. Woo.
Got the C's all taped up, ready to go. A light sanding coat on there just to kind of let the paint bite in there a little bit. Setting it up on these two chairs that I don't really care about that much. Let that dry for a couple minutes, just to the touch, and I'll flip her over and give her another coat. Alright, so this is what the bow looks like now after two coats of red stain on the Cias and 2 coats of black spray paint on the bow itself. It already looks fantastic, and I'm just going to seal it up with some spray spar urethane. I'm just going to get a coat too. Alright, that'll do it for that side. I'll let that dry just a little bit, flip her over, and do the other side. So this first little shooting test. This has got a couple coats of spar urethane on there after I stained and painted it. It doesn't have anything wrapped on the handle just yet, but it's looking pretty sweet. Let's see how she feels. This is like 5 yards, maybe, just that. Just gonna take it back to like a quarter draw. Oh. Wow. That's pretty nice. Yeah, this thing's packing a punch. Yeah, this thing's pretty damn powerful. I'm enjoying that for sure. So I've pretty much been shooting this one left and right-handed, just to kind of, I'm pretty new to this, so I want to try to learn both. So I'm going to shoot a couple of right-handed shots real quick, see how she does. But so far, I mean, fast and accurate. I like it. More than 5 yards. Rotten logs make great stump shooting. What's the matter with you? Shush. Why are you gonna be a jerk? Ooh. Got 3 trees to try to make it through here. Overall, I am very happy with this bow. This turned out amazing, and guys, honestly, he is extremely reasonable on price and a very helpful dude. So if you get a chance, reach out to him through email if you're curious about his bows. I would highly recommend purchasing one of the do-it-yourself kits and trying your hand at this, because honestly, this is one of the coolest things that I've ever been able to do. Make sure to check out his YouTube page and also his Instagram and his website, meadlongbows.com.